Hello everyone, so today is 27th of June and let's discuss what we are expecting in the market and how our analysis went and how the Nifty and Bank Nifty derivatives indicators performed. So talking about the end of the day data, so if you see that futures short positions have also been closed and also futures long positions have been closed, okay, but let's still look at the ratio, okay. So let's copy and let's look at the ratio, okay, divided by so if you see the ratio, then it's greater than 3, okay. So still don't get fooled, that is FIIs are closing their short positions, okay, in the futures. So it's a good thing that the futures long positions have started closing and now we can expect some down move, as well as if you look at the option chain data, short positions have been built up, call short positions and put short positions also have been built up, but not much. But all the put short positions are very well hedged, so no chance that they would make any loss if there is a fall in the market, okay. So yeah, it's a good thing that the few call shorts are dominating now, and also futures long positions are also have also started closing, okay. So even if you look at my Twitter, so I gave an update at the last hour that market would go down because you see that the scores were decreasing, okay. Though market was not showing huge move, but the scores were decreasing, and that was the sign that in the futures long positions were closing, and also in option chain call shorts positions were getting built up, okay. So that's what we even in Bank Nifty the same thing happened, and this is how Bank Nifty derivatives indicator performed today. So you can see the graph. The red one is the graph of the Bank Nifty score, and the blue one is the graph of the index Bank Nifty, and same for Nifty here, that is here. So you see always whenever the gap is created, so market moves to close the gap, and here also the score moved up, and so the market also, but finally the scores were decreasing, but according to the scores the market was not going down further. So the move is, I think, due tomorrow, so let's hope, okay. So now you can see that so even if tomorrow Nifty or Bank Nifty comes down, so as I already told you that this is a sell on rise market, and to be very safe you can short above 16,200, okay, because above 16,200 was considered to be very safe. But yesterday we also saw that at 15,900 huge call short positions were built up, and thus today, as you can see, Nifty wasn't able to cross 15,900. And similarly for Bank Nifty, I told to short at 35,100 or above call shorts. So those were also very safe. So yeah, let's look at we will find out what will happen. But yes, the call shorts are dominating, so chances are higher that it will go down. But again, it might find a temporary support at 15,647, and for Bank Nifty also at 33,202. So be careful about at that point, okay. And yes, so now let's talk about the option chain, and also FIs are selling, and DIs are just trying to support the market by buying almost the same amount. And yeah, so you can go and check my Twitter updates also. So yeah, that I gave during the live market hours. And now let's talk about the option chain. So the highest OI is at 16,000 now. Okay, so overall it's 85 lakhs. So it's at 16,000. 85.7 lakhs contracts are there, out of which 12.5 lakhs contracts have been added today. And then the next one is at 15,900, where market got some resistance today. Okay, so though you see that some positions have closed, but that's not, if you have observed during the whole market hours, in the morning more positions got closed, and finally at the end of the day some positions were getting built up, and overall it's negative. But yes, at the end positions were getting built up there. And in overall there are 45 lakhs contracts there. And then you have at 16,100, where you have 40.2 lakhs contracts on the call side. Okay, so these will act as resistance, and for support you can expect some difficulty at 15,800. Okay, but today I noticed that at 15,800 put buying was going on. Okay, if you go and check my Twitter, so I posted them during the live market hours, and you can see I said that at 15,800 and below put buying was going on. So and this is I mean monthly expiry, so not much. So already tomorrow will be 28, so you don't have much days. So you shortly will be seeing some huge moves because of the monthly expiry. So be prepared. And as we saw that also some call buyings were also being done, but I think those were for the hedging purpose, but or maybe that the big players are doing straddle. But since I am bearish, so I'll give more importance to the put buying that I have analyzed today. Okay, so yes, so 15,800, though there are 40.4 lakhs contracts, some put buyings were there, and same for 15,700. Okay, so the 15,700 is having 59.3 lakhs contracts. But yes, be very careful that there are buying positions there. Okay, put buying has been done today. So now coming to BankNifty. So for BankNifty, 34,000 has the highest open interest. So 34,000 here, which has 27.7 lakhs contracts, out of which 11.8 lakh contracts have been added today. Okay, so and then next you have at 34,500. Okay, so 34,500, where you have 20.1 lakhs contracts, out of which 5.8 lakhs contracts have been added today. So 33,900, if you just go and look at the chart. Okay, so not 34,000. So 34,000 was here, so where huge call shots have been done. So that's why BankNifty came down today. And if you see that, I already told that the BankNifty money flow was negative during the whole of the day. So in BankNifty, this down move was expected, but in Nifty, those cores were decreasing. So tomorrow we will see the main move, but at the end of the day, this money flow became negative. Okay, but during the day it was positive. So at the very end hours, huge call shots were happening. So that's the thing. So yes, and on the put side, BankNifty, it's not looking very nice. Okay, so at 33,500 you have only 16 lakhs contracts. So 33,000 here, so 33,500 you have here. Overall 16.5 lakhs contracts. Okay, so put side is not looking good, so please be very careful. And also, as I told that I have identified that today put buying was going on. So and we were, if you go and look at the Twitter, the messages, that we were expecting some down move. So even at 248, I up 244 or 248, yeah. So yeah, it started from 244 onwards, where we were expecting some down move because the scores were hugely decreasing. Okay, and for, if you see here 244, if you come here you see suddenly 241, 244, you see suddenly the scores are hugely decreasing. So we were expecting some down move, but we did not see much move. Even we were expecting that okay, maybe the move will come after 3 p.m, but yeah, it did not come. So I think maybe tomorrow there might be a gap down, or there might be some down move tomorrow. So that's what we are expecting for tomorrow. So please be careful that there has been buying done. Okay, and also the end of the day data is suggesting that huge call shots also have been done, and futures long positions have been closed, but futures short positions still, it's 3.2 times the futures long position. So it's a huge ratio. So don't underestimate the future short positions that were already built up long ago and which haven't been closed yet. So before the monthly expiry, so we are expecting some down move. Okay, and please be careful about this Nifty 15,647, which might give some support temporarily, and for Bank Nifty it's 33,208. So these are the updates for today, and that's how our indicators performed today. And yeah, and also if you would like to check out how the indicators performed and the data, so you can go and check into the link which has been given in the description. So I every day upload there, so that I can bring transparency to the new members who are who wants to join those who wants to join our Nifty and Bank Nifty derivatives indicators and our Telegram group. So for them, I want to keep the transparency, and that's why I post these updates which I give to my members in the while the market is open. And also I upload these PDFs into the Google Drive link, the link of which is in the description. So you can every day go and check there how the indicators performed and what the scores were at what time. So because timestamp and everything, the scores are given. So yes, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep watching, and trade safely. See you in the next one.